deserve this. Always my love for you. Always, what can I say? Always my love for you. Always, what will be done? Miss it like that shy sign, we're feeling hidden states. Just to feel this more. The cold, it wants to kill us, but we're burning like the sun. Why do I feel so inadequate? So why do I feel like I don't deserve this? Always my love for you. Always, what can I say? Don't turn away. It was written in your leaves fall and your very windy days. So why do I feel so inadequate? Why do I feel like I don't deserve this?